What's good, everybody? It's your boy Osmosis. I'm here with a great friend of mine, Reggie Noble, very talented drummer. Reggie's gonna be speaking on sports. We're talking about basketball, football, I mean, you name it. And also, Reggie's gonna review music because Reggie is a musician, professional drummer. He knows a lot about music, so he's gonna be reviewing music and give it his perspective, also sharing other people's perspective. So he has his own idea what he's gonna bring to the table. Also, Reggie's is gonna be Reggie. And without further ado, I want to present to you Reggie.
Salute to everybody out there, HMI Buzz. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure joining the team. I'm gonna bring honesty and my noble truth to the table.
Noble truth. Man, Reggie, you already know one of the reasons I know this is gonna be a great relationship is the fact that I know you always speaking the truth. You seek the truth. You always on the side of the truth. You know what I mean? So that's one of the reasons. That's one of the things I love about you. And also, you're very educated. Travels, you've been around, and you know everything that you've done, man. I mean, beside all the things that you bring into the to HMI, what does it mean to you to be Haitian American?
Man, it brings a lot of pride, man. A lot of culture. Where do I start, man? From the food to how resilient our people are and how hard we fight. Even though we don't have nothing, man, but we still love. We give love. We share love. We probably won't even know somebody from a hole in the wall. We still bring them into our homes. You know, so it's a beautiful experience, man. It was tough in the beginning, growing up as a kid, but then probably by, I'll say 98, 96, 98, shit changed. You know, the schools, Lennox and Lucius, stuff changed as soon as 98 started coming around. They started getting a little bit more respect. Because, you know, they would diss us, you know, say whatever they said, smart comments. Then now, we're revered, man, you know what I mean? They love us.
Man, you were born in New York, right? You were born in New York, but you grew up in Florida.
Yeah, I grew up
came back to New York. What is it about those two states that's so unique and that you love about each one of them, and why you can't never get away from either one of them?
Yeah, man. You know, I was born in Kings County, but raised Palm Beach County.
Kings County, Palm Beach County.
And so one thing about Palm Beach, man, the people there are so in tune with themselves and their culture.
Yeah.
That
you mean the Haitian Americans?
Haitian Americans, the Americans, just everybody in general, but Haitian Americans, man. It's like only two stops that you can make once you come from Haiti.
Yeah.
You either go to Florida, you go to New York.
Yeah.
And it's two different cultures, but they reside with one another because Florida, everybody from everywhere goes there.
Yeah.
So you get a big melting pot.
Yeah.
And when you come here to New York, there's such an essence. You know what I mean? They're the first way to do it, and everybody just leaves and goes to Florida. So Florida is just love, man.
It's love, and that's where your family
I grew up there.
That's where your family actually is, so it's actually love for you. And I know, as a drummer, I mean, I remember you drumming with J. Cole. You performed with J. Cole, Styley. I mean, I know you haven't been drumming it for a while now. What's going on with that?
I put it to the side so I could focus on my career as an A&R.
Okay.
You know, I was at Epic Records and Warner Brothers.
Yeah.
You know, I was working with a few artists, so I wanted to get more into the corporate side. You know what I mean? I wanted to create. I'm a creator. You know, I create while I'm drumming.
Yeah.
I said, well, I'll take this and put it into another venture. Yeah. And I did great, man. You know, I traveled the world. I traveled probably all 7 seas.
I know you listen to a little bit of Haitian music, Reggie. I know somehow you grew up listening to compa.
Yeah.
Tell us your favorite compa band and why.
My favorite all-time compa band would have to be Tabu Kombu, because they're the originators. They're some of the baddest musicians by far. The drummer for Tabu Kombu, just the way he placed some of his hits was just amazing. It was before his time, and like he's better than 80% of the drummers out here right now in the compa field. And right now, I would have to say probably my two favorite bands that I like listening to when I do listen to compa would have to be Disciple and Class.
Why?
I'm a fan of Compadre, man.
You're a fan of Compadre?
Yeah, I'm not with none of that bubblegum shit, man, at all, man. I need that hardcore, you know, get to the soul, have a message and all that, man, behind it. You know what I mean? That's what I love about Compa, man. Both of the singers, you know, Gosman is amazing. His vocals are top notch. And I don't know the Class headband, but it wasn't he the guy who replaced Gosman and New Look?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember his name, but he's nice too, man. Yeah. You know, the tumble player for Class, Sorrell, that's my man's. You know, so yeah, man, those are really good bands that they play as a unit. You know what I mean? And
if we want to switch to like the American music industry, I mean, who you listening to now, man?
I would say right now, the top tier artists that are in hip hop rap would definitely have to be J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, A$AP Rocky, Chance the Rapper, and Big Sean.
Big Sean.
Their albums are very dope. A$AP Rocky comes from a more eclectic, because he's experimenting in LSD, shrooms, which is not a bad thing. It's a natural high, so he's more of that. Big Sean, the lyrical content is amazing. J. Cole, he had no features, produced everything, and went platinum. Kendrick Lamar, speaking on what's going on in society as of right now. And Chance the Rapper, he's putting jazz influence into his music, just like Kendrick Lamar. So I would say those albums right there are amazing.